It's a doctor-led business. We have 80 clinics now in India. This is the 80th clinic, so we are very happy to be here with all of the company. Is the pioneer in the industry. We have helped many customers feeling better, getting better using technology and our doctor expertise. The company is the most trusted brand in India.
आया क्लिनिक के उद्घाटन पे आज आप नोएडा पहुंची, इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी, मुझे बहुत खुशी है। सबसे पहले मैंने इतनी अच्छी टीम को देखा हुआ, सो प्लेजेंट एंड नाइस, एंड द टीम इज अमेजिंग। आई हैव दिस accomplished doctor sitting next to me, and the very fact that the clinic has been here in our country for last 20 years ago they started, so they're pioneer in their work, and having that head start, they are still in touch with the traditional roots of our country, and they have some of the best machines, they have some of the best doctors. Also, they are very focused on holistic approach to the whole. I always say India is a maximalist country. Just look around you. I honestly, skincare is also like, there are many layers to it: morning, evening, mixing products. In India, we also have Ayurveda. We also have all these amazing oils which I really like using, and I'm very particular about certain products that I use. And so what else do I do? So it doesn't see, basically when you are. Your skin is the last place anything will show. First, your organs will suffer. If the last place it shows up is your skin, the root cause is not skin, it's actually your gut, what you're eating, we believe in giving quality treatments to people. And it's also the trust of the brand which we've created over the past 20 years. So it's 2 decades. We were the pioneers. So हमने start किया. In India, when we started, it was first brand to start with this kind of treatments when we got lasers in India for the first time. And it was that time, and now we are the leading brand across the country. Dermatological expertise, the brand value, and हमारा जो trust है कि we always do ethical practice, we always give the best practice. So I think that is what sets us distinct and apart.
I just like to add on that, as she was saying. So all our doctors are board certified doctors. That's the biggest thing and the biggest differentiator between others and us. And then all our technologies are US FDA approved. So all machines that come in are approved by the best governing council. And we take pride in that because we want the best to be delivered to our customers, and that's what we've been doing for about 22 years. Besides, the system of our people in the clinic is also one of the best because we have a very rigorous training. Since these technologies are US FDA approved, they require those set of training, right? So doctors and the people who are also giving the service are trained equally well.